I've never seen these trees. If you know what they are, just let me know. I have no idea. But we're just gonna, this is a walking video and I'm just gonna see if anybody knows. I've just never seen it before. So I'm gonna do a little introduction and we're gonna come back and then maybe you can tell me what it is and just put it down below. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yeah, what are these things? So, I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of cool texture. So I've just never seen it before, so I guess they're kind of, some are kind of low hanging. I guess this must be private. I just don't know how they, never seen them grow like that. And nobody's picking them either. I definitely will not, for sure. But I definitely want to show it. So we are in Macau, and this is a tree that's like these fresh fruits. It looks like there's more of them. Just want to show you the view. So we're in Macau, we're overlooking a swimming pool right there, and then the whole ocean is over there. And I think those are islands that go to Hong Kong in the distance. And we're kind of up in here, up in this little area. And here's some more of these trees too, so we'll just focus on a few more since it's so unique. Yeah, let me know what that is. Oh, that one, did that one go bad? Oh, just like little tiny ones too. Wow, that's a beautiful tree. It's a beautiful fruit. Wow, look how many is in there. Never seen that before. Anyways, maybe just let me know. Put it in the comments below. Let's try to get in the sunny side, non-sunny side. Oh, dang. Yeah, let me know what fruit that is. Chiquinha.